it's about money, compensation. Most of you are business students, and most of you will be earning a salary shortly after, or some of you already currently are earning some money. So here we would look into the global aspects of it on a global scale, and also particular for expats. So we have some general objectives here, such as to understand the way through which multinational corporations can determine how to pay employees strategically, also on a global scale. And then also particularly look at the challenges faced by multinational corporations in their global compensation programs and practices. Start with some numbers or some pictures first. Here you see a ranking. The highest earning was Mbappé. And then to give some numbers, I'm not sure whether you can even read them now. So Messi earned 120 million US dollar in 1 year. Yeah, so he received a salary from his employer, which is now also PSG in Paris, which is sponsored by Qatar. Now the World Cup is in Qatar. And he's the only number 2 nowadays. So I heard he's very sad. He's not top earner in football anymore. And Kylian Mbappé is the number 1 earner and also top scorer of the Football World Cup. I think he scored 5 times, 6 times, 5 times. And he earns 128 million. And then of course we still have Ronaldo come in third with 100 million US dollar per year. And Mbappé, he earns the most from his job. From his job as a football player playing for PSG Paris, 110 million US dollar. And he just negotiated a new contract, and even they said the French president, he intervened and tried to talk to Qatar and to the PSG club. Please pay Mbappé more so he will stay in France as a football player. I'm not sure if it's true or not, but that gives you some dimensions. And if you think about what nationality are they, Messi is from, as we know, from Argentina. He's playing in France. He used to play in Spain before. Ronaldo is Portuguese. He played in Spain, and now he plays nowhere, but then he played in the UK, and now he may join a club in Saudi Arabia. So what that tells us, if you perform high, you're a superstar and you're a super football player or you're a super manager, you will find a job anywhere and you can get really high compensation. Your skills and everything is being valued. And we talk about that today. Not so much about football players, but more about corporate executives. So, conclusion, global compensation is very complex. We talked about this today. We talked about the globalization pressures and local pressures. Most companies, they try to standardize certain core practices and may adjust some other practices based on cultural preferences. And then again, for expats, there are different models, and then companies can choose very carefully. Thank you.